The Astro Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful solution for your daily cleaning needs. With its robust motor and upgraded aluminum fan blades, this portable vacuum delivers an impressive 7,500 PA of suction power. There are many products available to choose handheld vacuums, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best handheld vacuums from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum is the ultimate cleaning companion for your home and car. With its powerful 16V max lithium-ion battery, this vacuum delivers optimal performance, swiftly removing dirt, debris, and even pet hair from carpets, car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas. Its cordless design offers unparalleled convenience, allowing you to clean freely without being tethered to a power outlet. The compact and lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver and store, while the rotating slim nozzle and pull-out crevice tool ensure thorough cleaning in tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. The translucent dirt bowl lets you monitor the dirt level, and both the bowl and filter are washable for hassle-free maintenance. With a fast-charging base ensuring you're always ready for action, this handheld vacuum is a must-have for anyone seeking efficient and versatile cleaning solutions. Plus, backed by a 2-year limited warranty, you can trust in its durability and performance. Number 2. Handheld Vacuum Wireless Portable. Introducing the Pemicom Handheld Vacuum Wireless Portable DW688, your ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless home, car, or office. Cordless and lightweight, this vacuum offers unparalleled convenience. Tackle dust, debris, and pet hair effortlessly on various surfaces with its powerful 10,000 pascal suction power, ensuring no corner is left unclean. Equipped with an 800 ml capacity dust cup and washable HEPA filter, it guarantees thorough cleaning sessions without interruptions. The included crevice tools and dusting brush enhance precision cleaning, while the collapsible brush head simplifies attachment changes. With a long-lasting 6,600 mAh battery and USB-C charging, enjoy 15 to 18 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning. The LED light illuminates hidden dirt, while the intuitive controls make operation a breeze. Backed by a 2-year warranty and responsive after-sales support, rest assured of a satisfying experience. Elevate your cleaning routine with the Pemicom Handheld Vacuum, where convenience meets efficiency. Number 3. Astro Car Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Astro Car Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful solution for your daily cleaning needs. With its robust motor and upgraded aluminum fan blades, this portable vacuum delivers an impressive 7,500 PA of suction power, swiftly eliminating dust and dirt from level surfaces. Equipped with a high-capacity 560 ml visible dust cup, it effortlessly tackles extensive cleaning tasks. The inclusion of a super wide-angle LED light ensures visibility even in dimly lit areas, enabling you to spot and remove debris with ease. Featuring washable filters and an extra set of filters for convenient replacement, maintenance is hassle-free. This compact vacuum comes with 4 versatile nozzles to cater to various cleaning requirements, while its 5-meter power cord reaches narrow gaps effortlessly. Weighing just 2.7 pounds and designed ergonomically, it offers comfortable operation. Complete with a storage bag for added protection, the Astro Car Vacuum Cleaner is your go-to choice for a tidy car interior. Please note, it's suitable for DC power only, and requires a converter for AC power usage. Number 4. Jimmy Cordless Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Introducing the Jimmy Cordless Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, a revolutionary solution for maintaining a clean and allergen-free sleeping environment. Powered by cutting-edge technology, this handheld vacuum is designed to effortlessly deep clean your bed, sofa, baby crib, and carpet with its 250W motor. Equipped with Jimmy's innovative dust sensor technology, it intelligently calculates dust levels, displaying results via LED lights red for dirty and green for clean. This mattress vacuum cleaner boasts a 99% anti-allergen efficiency, thanks to its UV light and ultrasonic technology, endorsed by the British Allergy Foundation. Its HEPA filter ensures thorough filtration, safeguarding your family's health. With a removable battery pack providing up to 35 minutes of continuous use, it offers convenience and long-lasting performance. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty for quality issues, and 3 years for free battery replacement. Sleek in design, compact in size, and efficient in operation, the Jimmy Cordless Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is a must-have for every household. Number 5. Handheld Vacuum Cordless. Introducing the BSRCO Handheld Vacuum Cordless, a revolution in portable cleaning technology. Weighing a mere 1.65 pounds, this rechargeable vacuum boasts unparalleled convenience and power. Equipped with a washable HEPA filter and a 450 ml dust cup, it effortlessly tackles dust, pet hair, and debris in every corner of your home. With a running time of 20 to 30 minutes and a quick 3-hour recharge, you'll never be caught off guard by messes again. The 6-paw suction power ensures thorough cleaning, while the integrated LED light illuminates even the darkest spaces. Included accessories like the crevice nozzle, corrugated hose, and couch brush provide versatility for any cleaning task. Plus, the easy empty dust box simplifies maintenance. Backed by BSRCO's commitment to customer satisfaction, this handheld vacuum is a must-have for every household. Say goodbye to bulky corded vacuums and hello to effortless cleaning with the BSRCO handheld vacuum cordless. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more